Alright, so to put together this dreamy centerpiece that I'm using for my Thanksgiving table inspiration, you are going to need the following items. I am starting out with this Oasis cage that I bought on Amazon. This is perfect because it is just stable and gives me a good grounding spot. And the first two ingredients that you see, the palm fronds and the dried goods, I have just had on hand and I thought that they would be a nice kind of texture and touch. And next you're going to see this huge box. Now this box is from my favorite company, Petal Driven. They sent it to me, they gifted it to me. It is huge, and I mean this retails for $400 to $500. So this is probably a little bit bigger unless you're going to be replicating and making several of these or using it in addition to a big event or wedding. But it comes with so many packages of different items. I'm going to leave a link and a list below to everything if you want to purchase. If you were throwing an event, I am guessing that you could duplicate the centerpiece that I am making today. Probably you can make 5 of them or so. But if you're just wanting to do a small scale single one-off centerpiece, I'm going to leave a list and the quantities of the exact things that I use below in case you don't want to purchase their total box but just want to buy a few one-off packages. Alright, you guys are watching this going, what's the rhyme and reason, Ashlyn? And I'm here to say, as I'm laughing rewatching my video here, there isn't much, and you will see the dream centerpiece at the end, the very dreamy, whimsical touch. It turns out looking so much different, and that's how a lot of centerpieces start. It's just a matter of playing with ingredients, building different textures one on top of each other, and of course I'm really trying to fill in, as you can see here, and hide the greenery and oasis. I started with kind of that fluffy fern material around the whole outside first, and then I'm starting to go to different varieties and things to fill in as I go. So I love pairing the 2 palm fronds off kind of there in the left hand corner, and then you'll see a little bit further as the video gets in, I'm going to add one to off center it and kind of balance out the arrangement down in the lower right. And that's just kind of what I'm keeping in mind. Like if I add a few dark fronds in one area, I'm adding some on another just so it visually is appealing all over and it's not just one big cream fluff ball. My favorite thing about building this type of arrangement is it is just super forgiving. I have loved that it has been sitting on my table now for over a week and it looks just as good as the day that I built it. It is holding up, it is sturdy. This would also be in a wonderful kind of installation if you wanted to attach it to an arch of some sort. If you didn't want to necessarily use it as a centerpiece and want to hang it on an arch for a wedding or whatever, this is great, and you can use this over and over again. And dried florals are a little bit of an investment, but this will last forever. And let's say, you know, in a year I don't love it, I want to disassemble it, and I can put it back together in a whole different bouquet format or whatever. So as you can see here, it's getting pretty full, and I'm just kind of going through and adding some of those fun kind of dried star-like ingredients and thistle to just have it be a standout against all the fluffy different materials. It is just such a pretty centerpiece, and at some point you go, I just gotta walk away. This looks great, and it's time to show this baby off. As you can see, this is the final product. I had so much fun. This might be one of my favorite pieces I've ever put together. I love the whimsy of it. I love how romantic it is. It just is such a beautiful touch to a simple Thanksgiving table. It is definitely the star. You could use it for holidays, really anytime you want. And if you want to see a longer video about my Thanksgiving tablescape, see the next video that I'm posting soon on YouTube. Take care.